Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Tor browser into your Ubuntu system. So let's just start the process right away. So before installing any software, not just a Tor browser, make sure you update and upgrade your system. So for that, open the terminal and you need to type a command. Type sudo apt update sudo apt and give the hyphen sign and type Y. Type your username password. So after updating your system, on the browser and you need to search for Tor browser, and this is the Tor browser official site. So upon that, so you will see this option to download the Tor browser. So select to download for the Linux. Open the download folder and you need to extract this file. So for that, right click and choose to extract. So after it is extracted, open this folder, open the Tor browser folder, and inside it you will see the start-tor-browser.desktop. So you just need to open the terminal into the Tor browser folder, and let me do ls. So this is the installation file for the Tor browser. So for that, // and you can just copy this and you can just paste it here and give the 2 hyphen and type register, and you can give the hyphen and type app. So this will install your Tor browser into your Ubuntu system. So here we go. It says the message that Tor browser has been registered as a desktop app for this user. So now search for Tor browser, and here you go. You can see this Tor browser here. You can just open this, and now you can close this terminal. So you can enjoy using the Tor browser. So hey guys, thanks for watching. In this way you can download and install the Tor browser into your system. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.